Ford, this one's for you, buddy. Your favorite color, blue. Love you. Boom! Guys, what's up? It's Mark. Check this out. Awesome gift. I've been enjoying driving it. Driving it, the heat's getting to me. I'm going to talk quick because we're going to make this short, sweet, and quick. This is a 2014 Chevrolet Corvette 2LT Z51 package. Let's check it out. I'm going to go over a few details with you guys. Brand new chrome wheels, right? Brand new chrome wheels. Check these bad boys out. Brand new chrome wheels, 6-piston calipers. You get the Corvette built into the wheel right there in the chrome. Beautiful side marker lights, and they're not turning on because it's the sunlight. Beautiful side marker lights on the front and rear. And check this out. Best of all is the car is a gorgeous blue. It's got a lot of the Z06 accents. All the front splitter. This isn't Z06, but this is a Stingray trademark right here. It's got the side skirts. It's got the Z06 heat extractors, or the cooling ducts for the rear brakes. Scoop in here right here. It's got the Z06 rear wing. It's got the rear diffuser, rear bumper diffusers right here. And check this out. Not only that, the whole dash, all of this car, the dash is all the carbon fiber package. It's got the carbon fiber package in the dash right here. And check this out. Little hidden secret. Bet you didn't know that, Landon. Put whatever you want there. Guns, cigarettes, 6-pack of beer. Close the bag up. Nobody knows it's there. It's got the Z06 steering wheel incorporated into it. This is an actual Z06 steering wheel with the carbon fiber to match right here. This car is not a Z06, but let me show you a little bit around and check the key fob. We got the carbon fiber key fob right there, remote start. You want to start it up? I'll start it up in a second. Actually, my Bluetooth's connected. Come on back, check it out. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Get near that exhaust and hear this sucker purr. Ready? 3, 2. Oh! Got a mouthful of exhaust in the back right here. You got the top, color match top. Back down here, it's got the full Edelbrock, and I just broke this binder, by the way. Edelbrock manual on how to install it, all the details on it, the product number, part numbers. In the back down here, your little secret storage spot, you got the, thanks, Lana. You got the cover to cover your back end so nobody sees your groceries in the back. You got your factory Corvette battery tender. You got your, right here, Z51 front brake rotor cooling rings, and just a whole bunch of goodies with this car. Awesome car, well kept up, super, super nice car. And we're gonna hope you guys enjoyed the video. I don't know if I put the video in the front or the back, but it's got a little net right here to block out all the sun. I'll take the phone real quick and check this out. The best part of all, we're gonna show you guys right now. Ready? Check this out. If I can find the, look at the pedals, beautiful pedals right there. Best part of all is
it's modified with a stage 1 Edelbrock supercharger rated for 650 horsepower.
650 horsepower, guys. This thing moves. So to put it in perspective, the Z06, the C7 Z06 comes factory with 650 horsepower and 600 foot-pounds of torque. It says it like right there on the name badge. But this one says Corvette Stingray. So, with that said, it is an absolute what, Landon?
An absolute beast.
Beast and a sleeper. It's a beast of a car. Edelbrock, all the components you can imagine. You can't even hear it when it's running. It's just, you can hear it when you get on it, when it whines. And she is an absolute beast. Fun car to drive. Two things when you're closing the hood: you can let it go slowly, or you can let it sit on here and then push very so lightly where it latches on that side and that side. Just got inspected, everything passed flying colors. The wheels and tires are all good. These are brand new, and like I said, here's the back right there. The rear tires got about, I would say, 75% tread. Front, same thing, 75% tread, I want to say. On all four corners, there's a front valance right there. Really nice shape. Does have a few small rock chips right there that were touched up. Overall, great car. Front wheel right there, side valance right here. Rear tire, whole underside. She's just a beast of a car. And I hope you guys like it. I really do. Here's the rear. Huge, massive footprint in the rear. These are a 285/30/20 in the rear, Michelin Pilot Sports. Super Sport, I believe it is. And the fronts are the same thing. These are a Michelin Pilot Super Sport front tire. And these front ones are a, I can't even see the size, 245/35 ZR19 tire. Super grippy. You got all the performance modes in here. You got heads up display, heated seats, cooled seats, Stingray floor mats. It's a Stingray on the door sill right there. Corvette, the miles, 45,289 maintained miles. It's got push button start. It's got the electric brake, little cigarette lighter thing. Probably has the original owner's manual. Yeah, there's the manual and the original owner's manual for the Corvette. Dual climate control, Bose sound system. The back's clean. What else is in here? It's pretty much about it. Let me see. Mode selector, you got winter, eco, track, touring, sport, and track mode on this. So we'll show you guys the video, and I hope you guys are interested in this car. Give us a call. And there's the trunk button and some other antenna little looking button. Memory seats, power, everything. Close the door handles on these cars, guys, by right here. That way you don't put your greasy fingerprints on there and start wearing a spot where your fingers were. Give us a call, 540-898-3025. You can text or call me on my work cell phone, 540-89, my work cell phone, 540-848-2974, with any questions. I hope you guys are doing great. You can also see the car in the full description at superiorwholesale.org. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you later.